Snoop Dogg backs a new NFT music service. Enormous bridge Multichain shuts down completely. BlackRock has its eyes locked on crypto, and is it the right time to buy XRP? So welcome back again, I'm Theo, a content creator for the AltCryptoTalk team. In this video we'll go through all the latest crypto news that has happened over the last week, and we will give a rough price prediction for XRP. Nothing in this video is financial advice, purely my own opinion and based on my own research. Do not invest in anything you can't afford to lose, and be sure to smash that like and subscribe button and leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever, and be sure to follow us on Twitter at AltCryptoGems for daily crypto content, and check out our website for frequent guides, project reviews, articles and everything crypto related. And guys, it's time for a giveaway once again. The crypto legend himself, Jules aka AltCryptoGems, is putting up $250 to give away to say thank you to the 4,500 subscribers supporting our YouTube channel. The requirements are very easy: like, subscribe and leave a comment on why you deserve to win this reward. Obviously I don't need to mention that you need to follow AltCryptoGems on Twitter. It's very easy. Good luck to everyone, and the winner will be announced this week. So let's get started with the video, ladies and gentlemen. So let's start off with the first article, which says BlackRock CEO issues important crypto prediction after huge week for the Bitcoin, Ethereum and XRP price, which, as we all know, the XRP price pumped dramatically, as well as Ethereum, and the Bitcoin did initially. So BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager that looks after $10 trillion worth of value, has triggered a stunning Bitcoin and crypto boom in recent weeks, and this was obviously due to the Bitcoin ETF application. The Bitcoin price has doubled so far this year, revitalizing the Ethereum, XRP and wider crypto market that suffered a catastrophic crash through 2022, with some predicting a multi-trillion-dollar China bombshell is just around the corner. Now, BlackRock's legendary chief executive Larry Fink, who shocked the world when he announced a surprise crypto flip last week, has said he expects crypto to transcend traditional currencies, including the US dollar. Importantly, because it's so international, crypto is going to transcend any one currency in currency valuation. Larry Fink also said last week Bitcoin and crypto could revolutionize finance, in a dramatic reversal from his previous position of Bitcoin being nothing more than an index of money laundering. Where the change of heart came from, I do not know. Maybe he actually did some research and finally understands that blockchain technology is the future. Now, I reckon he always knew it in the first place. He was probably buying it way before. The thing is, he was probably just snatching it all at cheap prices, waited for the price to dump heavy again, and then made the price surge, and hence why Bitcoin is priced over 30k once again. So, more and more of our global investors are asking us about crypto, Fink said, explaining BlackRock's moves to file an application for a US spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund ETF with the SEC last month. Bitcoin and crypto have a differentiating value versus other asset classes, Fink said, adding BlackRock has a responsibility to democratize investing via ETFs, and pointing to BlackRock's history of using ETFs to transform investing. Fidelity and other Wall Street giants quickly followed in BlackRock ETFs footsteps, betting the world's largest asset manager will find a way through the regulatory fog that's so far impeded a US spot Bitcoin ETF. We are working with our regulators because in any new market, if BlackRock's name is going to be on it, we're going to make sure that it's safe and sound and protected. This week, the SEC suffered what many interpreted to be a setback in this attempt to rein in the crypto market, when a federal judge ruled the sale of Ripple's XRP on exchanges and through algorithms did not constitute investment contracts. However, the court found Ripple's institutional XRP sales did violate federal securities law. The ruling boosted the combined crypto market, sending the Bitcoin price, Ethereum and XRP soaring. The XRP rocketed by around 60% in the 24 hours after the news broke, as traders bet the regulatory uncertainty that's weighed on the crypto market in recent months that could be ending. Now, it's clear that obviously the world is starting to become bullish on crypto. Whether or not this is a big bull trap is beyond me. Normally what they do is they pump the price, get all of retail to come in and buy, and then what they do is they dump it again to then buy once again. What BlackRock has got planned and all the other large asset managers is beyond me. I reckon they'll try and drop the price once again, but we'll have to see. So moving on to the next article, we have got a new NFT music service backed by the legend himself, Snoop Dogg, which has already got a valuation of $20 million. 16 crypto startups raised over $94 million this week, with Web3 music marketplace Sound leading the pack. Sound, the music platform, secured $20 million in a Series A round led by A16Z Crypto, with participation from Palm Tree Crew, Scalar Capital, Coinbase and others. Now, these are some of the largest investment names within the crypto industry, especially A16Z. Music celebrities also kicked in support, including rapper Snoop Dogg, singer-songwriter writer Ryan Tedder and record producer Tay Keith. The project, which was founded in 2022, seeks to provide a better model for artists to make money. The status quo for artists is to simply drop a song on Spotify or Apple Music and hope enough people listen to make money. Spotify, for example, has paid artists as little as 0.0033 per stream, according to a 2021 Business Insider investigation. Under that regime, artists would need to get just over 300 streams to make $1. Now, for the average artist, this might be quite a lot. Obviously, artists like Snoop Dogg, Rolling Stones, Tupac, Biggie Smalls, The Weeknd, and all of these huge artists make so much money. They probably have millions of streams on a daily basis, and for someone that is new to the industry, 300 streams might be an average per week, which would only net them around $1. So we need a more monetized music platform for creators. So on Sound, artists can sell their music as song NFTs. However, some musicians appear to opt for free public mints. Owners of these NFTs can publicly comment on the song tied to the digital asset, essentially using it for bragging rights. Users can verify they were a fan from way back in the day. According to a Q&A from Sound, the platform utilizes Ethereum and Layer 2 network optimism. Sound has seen the number of song NFTs minted more than double, a total of over 130,000 since January 2023, according to data from June. In a press release announcing the fresh fundraise, Sound claimed it has generated $5.5 million in revenue for a select group of creators in the past year. Now, following the raise, Sound said anyone is welcome to release music on the platform and start earning money through NFT sales. So whether or not you're interested in using the Sound platform is completely up to you. You might be an artist yourself, and this might be the perfect platform to start launching your own music. It's another way of making some income, especially if you're an artist. Every little helps 100%. And it might get you recognized. Who knows, guys? And those who are top tier Snoop Dogg fans, then you might as well head over to the platform and see what NFTs you can grab. Snoop Dogg is also on the Gala Music platform, and he is also a Basie holder, so he's pretty big in crypto, it seems. I would love to know Snoop Dogg's wallet address to see what assets he is also holding. However, let's move on to the next article. So this one was a big one this week, guys. You probably heard about it all over the place. The shutdown of the Multichain bridge. So, recently exploited crypto bridge shuts, says China detained CEO and his sister. So what have we got here? Multichain, one of the largest bridging protocols in the world, said it is ceasing operations following the detention of CEO Zhao Zhan and his sister by Chinese police. Multichain has said it has been forced to take this action due to the lack of alternative sources of information and corresponding operational funds. Zhao Zhan was taken away by Chinese police on May 21st with his computers, phones, hardware wallets and mnemonic phrases all confiscated. How they got his mnemonic phrases is nuts. Not your keys, not your wallet, even if you're the police. But then again, he was a crook, so I guess it is a good thing. His sister was also taken into custody. The team has had no contact with Zhao Zhan and has maintained day-to-day operations relying on existing access to servers that had not been revoked and with assistance from Zhao Zhan's sister, who transferred the remaining user assets in the router pool as preservation action. With the sister now out of contact, the status of the assets she has preserved is uncertain. The protocol's precarious existence was highlighted last week when it was exploited for $130 million after an attacker drained funds from numerous token bridges. According to Zhao Zhan's sister, login information from an IP address in Kunming was found on the cloud server platform, along with a series of operations transferring funds from the MPC addresses. Multichain's multi-token is down nearly 12% on the day at the time of writing, after sinking from around $2.28 to $2.01. So, to be honest with you guys, it looks like it's all over for the Multichain platform. For those of you who are still using the Multichain bridge or were using it at one point, I would recommend revoking all the contract addresses that you approved. And you can either do that on Revoke, the website tool, which is this website here, and you can take advantage of it. It's very, very important to use. Or you can also go on explorers such as Etherscan and then revoke your addresses from here just by going to token approvals, putting in your wallet address, and then removing all of the contract addresses that you've approved. It's very important to keep your wallet safe, guys, so follow safety precautionary measures. Moving on to the next article, Ripple says US banks will want to use XRP cryptocurrency after partial victory in SEC fight. So, blockchain startup Ripple is confident US banks and other financial institutions in the country will start showing interest in adopting its XRP cryptocurrency in cross-border payments after a landmark ruling determined the token was not in itself necessary as a security. The San Francisco-based firm expects to start talks with American financial firms about using its on-demand liquidity product, which uses XRP for money transfers. In the third quarter, Stu Auditory, Ripple's general counsel, told which was said by Stu Auditory, Ripple's general counsel. Now, Last week, a New York judge delivered a watershed ruling for Ripple determining that XRP itself is not a security, which we've already know because it was a headline in the news. Ripple has been fighting the SEC for the past 3 years over allegations from the agency that Ripple and 2 of his executives conducted an illegal offering of $1.3 billion worth of sales of XRP. Ripple disputed the claims, insisting XRP cannot be considered a security and is more akin to a commodity. Ripple's business suffered as a result, with the company losing at least one customer and investor. Meanwhile, Tetragon, a UK-based investor that previously backed Ripple, sold its stake back to Ripple after unsuccessfully trying to sue the company to redeem its cash. Asked whether the ruling meant that American banks would return to Ripple to use its ODL product, AltCryptoGems said, "I think the answer to that is yes." Ripple also uses blockchain in its business to send messages between banks, kind of like a blockchain-based alternative to Swift. I think we're hopeful that this decision would give financial institution customers or potential customers comfort to at least come in and start having the conversation about what problems they're experiencing in their business. Real-world problems in terms of moving value across borders without incurring obscene fees. Hopefully this quarter will generate a lot of conversations in the US with customers, and hopefully some of the conversations will actually turn into real business. Ripple now sources most of its business from outside of the US. Ripple has over 750 employees globally, with roughly half of them based in the United States. XRP is a cryptocurrency that Ripple uses to move money across borders. It is currently the 4th largest crypto in circulation, not the 5th, and the company uses the token as a bridge currency from transfers from one fiat currency to another, for example US dollars to Mexican pesos, and this solves the issue of needing pre-funded accounts on the other end of a transfer to wait for the money to be processed. So instead of businesses and banks to have to spend hundreds to thousands of dollars per transaction, it's now going to cost pennies. So still, the ruling did not represent a total win for Ripple. While the judge stated that XRP was not a security, they also said that some sales of the token did qualify as securities transactions. For example, about 730 million of sales of XRP to institutions the company worked with did qualify as securities, the judge said, stating there was a common enterprise and expectation of profit. AIRDROP conceded it was not a total win for Ripple and that the company would study the decision in due course to see how it affects its business. So let's move on to the next article from this one, which is XRP the best to buy right now? Here's why you should wait. Wait before buying XRP now. In Ripple's Lab's ongoing legal tussle with the SEC, a federal judge has determined that the XRP token does not conform to the criteria established for a security. However, Ripple's sales of XRP worth $730 million to institutions were deemed as unregistered security offerings, thus breaching securities law, which I just mentioned in the previous article. The SEC's lawsuit against Ripple is set to proceed, with a jury deciding if Ripple's executives knowingly participated in the unlawful offering of XRP to institutional investors. While the recent ruling for XRP is encouraging, numerous cryptocurrency attorneys caution against premature celebration. Stephen Paley, a partner at the law firm Brown Rudnick, pointed out that the summary judgment is merely partial. Furthermore, Judge Torres' ruling doesn't establish a legal precedent. It may, at best, provide influential insight for future courts to consider, should they decide to do so. Paley, among others, highlighted the possibility that the SEC could choose to appeal the decision. This introduces the potential for a superior court to reverse the judgments handed down by Judge Torres. Now that would be absolutely catastrophic, and the token could go back down 60%, even though it just went up 60%. Now, hence, Coinpedia recommends investors exercise caution and refrain from investing at the current peak prices, as there's a risk of sudden price reversal leading to substantial losses. Investing in XRP could become more profitable after a definitive victory against the SEC. So what's next for the XRP price? Well, XRP surged past multiple key resistance levels, indicating a bullish trend as the price touched a high of 93 cents. However, the bullish trend was short-lived as the XRP price quickly made a bearish reversal. So, looking at this chart, we can see that it made a bearish reversal around 90-ish cents, headed back down to around 70 cents, and could potentially be back up to 90 cents. So, XRP price experienced a profit-taking momentum at around 94 cents and followed a sharp bearish rally due to a massive surge in liquidation. The price dropped below multiple fib channels and took support near the bottom level of 67 cents. Bulls will aim to limit any pullback within the zone below the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level at 63 cents. If the price surges and continues to trade above 75 cents, it will strengthen bulls' confidence and prevent the price from dropping to a bearish channel. A surge towards 90 cents might again see profit booking among traders. If the price remains below 75 cents, the price could retest the support at 60 cents. A drop below this level might push the price to the 61.8 8% retracement level, potentially delaying the next uptrend's onset. Let's do hope that it goes above 75 cents and holds that level so that we go into a bullish momentum. If not, we're going to have a bearish momentum once again, but you will probably want that so it gives you a time to buy again. Now, you must be very cautious with XRP and any cryptocurrency that is up the amount that it is. One rule of thumb, never buy when things are so badly green. For example, on the day XRP pumped, you would not buy when it's up 70%. Well, that is my opinion anyway, because the chances of it dropping are steep, just like it did up here. For those who bought up top, lost around 20 to 30%. So obviously it was a good idea to just wait for the drawback and then you would buy on this little corner. Now, the best person to look at charts is obviously AltCryptoGems, which he does market update videos all the time on our YouTube channel, and he also does market updates on his Twitter, so be sure to follow him. And we also have a professional trading team on AltCryptoTalks Discord, which I'll leave the link in the description below. So as we know, XRP is the 4th largest cryptocurrency by market cap now. It is up 60.5% in the last 7 days and is up 5% today. XRP is making its way back up. Like we mentioned, XRP is supposed to hold the 75 cents line to maintain the bullish pattern, and it seems it is holding that level right now. It is on the cusp of dropping and it is on the cusp of rising. So to keep an eye on where it's going, you have to keep an eye on the Discord and Twitter of AltCryptoGems. Personally, I believe that we're going to head back down slightly, maybe over the next few days. However, in the next couple weeks, I reckon we might see another bullish pump, probably towards the end of the month or maybe in August. However, I do think that we need a bit more of a setback. This is always just the initial news gaining traction. There is always a drawback, just like there was a mini one. However, I think there could be a slightly bigger one. And of course, the news is saying that the SEC could really be hitting back on XRP once again, and that the case might not be completely over. So I'm going to be holding back. I've got a bit of XRP already, and I'll just be waiting for the right time to buy in again. Now, if you wanted to, you could dollar cost average in now, slowly put in drips and drabs, don't put in the whole amount that you're willing to invest. Say if you have $1,000, maybe put in $100 today, $50 tomorrow, $100 the day after that. It's completely up to you, but it's best to dollar cost average as it is the safest way to invest. But then again, nothing is financial advice. Now, I want to show you this, guys. If XRP was to reach the market cap of Ethereum, XRP would do a 5.9x, making the price of XRP $4.43. Now, I'm pretty sure this is going to be very possible in the very near future. 100% when the bull market comes in, we'll see XRP over the $100 billion market cap mark. In my opinion, I reckon it'll be Ethereum's current market cap or beyond, taking XRP to a top 3 token. My XRP price prediction is going to be around $3 to $5 for the next bull run anyway. By 2030, I reckon we'll be in the $15 to $20 mark, maybe even beyond. Now, I could be completely wrong. This could be all just speculative, but XRP has got serious backing. It is working on some of the largest problems in the world and will be working in the largest industry in the world. So I think that is a very conservative price prediction. But for the very near price prediction, I reckon that XRP will slightly drop and then we'll see it go into a bullish momentum once again. Guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, enter the giveaway, and we also have a promotion running on Bybit, the best centralized exchange platform for buying, trading and earning. Bybit is home to all your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you can claim up to $4,380 just by signing up using the link in the description below. It's simple. If you need help finding the right crypto gems, then follow us on Twitter at AltCryptoGems and head over to our website to get your hands on detailed project reviews, crypto guides and more. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful and informative. Until next time, DGens.